Fajardo Lagarto. I am ready to mingle. For my own understanding about global citizenship education, for me, it aims to empower learners in all ages around the world, both locally and globally. And it's also attributes about equality. It's all about humanity, and definitely about cultural diversity. Because I believe that no one in this world is left.
Honesty is the best policy.
According to UNESCO, global citizenship education, to summarize the content of what I have researched, it is, for me, it is an integral part in the learning process, or an integration of the learning of the learners, which aims to be aware on the learners' political, social issues, especially on the focus on the social economic status.
Okay, so hello. So good morning, everyone. I'm Srinita Dulay Rodrigo, 29. Happy to see yes. Okay, so my own understanding about the global citizenship education is for us teachers to be educated, and to be aware of the globally issues and concern, and for us also to embrace change related to global issues, socially, emotionally, in all aspects. So I think for us to understand broader the equally knowledgeable organizer will give us more info about this. Thank you.
I'm Rochelle Tori from Katipian, Ines. GSED draws upon, for me, GSED draws upon the experiences from other educational processes, specifically human rights education, peace and education. This human rights education and peace education, we truly need this because of the present situation of the world. That's all.